Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one I look real chill and real basic because it's rainy outside and my husband is sick and I've got the boys, and so I can't really do a whole lot. So the whole makeup thing, all that, I don't really have the time to do that right now. So I'm just wearing some Lorac lip gloss, which by the way is my favorite lip gloss hands down. They make such good lip gloss and nobody ever talks about it. But anyway, that's all besides the point. I'm going to come to you guys with, as promised in my last video, my Torrid swimsuit haul, my Adore Me swimsuit haul. My package arrived to me yesterday. To me, it took a long time. And maybe I'm just used to having like Prime and Sephora Rouge. So my things typically come pretty quickly. A couple of days, maybe a week at the most if I'm waiting on something. But this took a while. I ordered these on Memorial Day and they just came yesterday. I feel like that's a long time, but maybe it's just me. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into it. So this is going to be an unboxing. Like I said, I've never ordered from them before, so I did not know what to expect. I have pre-cut my box, but I'm just going to show you guys how it came and give you guys a first impression on what I think about the bathing suits. And of course, I'm going to try them on so that you can see them. They'll probably be over here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, this is my box and it came beat up. I don't know why it's so like beat up. Like they really like don't care about your packages when they ship your stuff. Like the mailman just be they be just tossing stuff around. But this is, oops. This is what the box looks like, and I guess because it's just, it's just swimming suits, so no harm, no foul there. I'm not really concerned too much about it there, but anyway, this is the box when you open it up, and I think that's a cute little drawing. It says, Adore Me, and then it just has their website, and then it just has like a bikini and some lingerie and underwear and stuff hanging up there. I think that's really, really cute, actually. Love the packaging. And then here are my suits here. Like I said, I ordered 3 bathing suits. They're all one pieces. And I told y'all before, this one should be way more conservative. So if my last swimsuit try on haul was not your cup of tea, your style, your steez, then this one you should like. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling them out. Pretty simple packaging. Nothing in here, no postcards or anything. This is going to be the first one. I'll link all of them below too if I can. If I can. I'll also link my last swimsuit haul, try on haul up here too if you haven't seen that one. Like I said, I ordered all of these in a size 3X because I was unsure on how their sizing would run. And so I'd rather things be a little too big than for everything to be too small, which it looks like I might have done okay. I don't know. We'll have to see when I try them on. They kind of look a little big, but then again, I don't know. This torso area looks pretty short to me. But this is the first one. This is just a cute black and white color block bathing suit. She's cute. She's really basic. There's not a whole lot to it. Like I said, it's just color block. But there are subtle details, like this side is, just a black block. And then what's really cute about this is the back. Has this crisscross area on the back. It is a brief cut. It's not high cut though. It's just a brief cut. And it does have like a soft cup, but there is no there's no wiring underneath here. You can pull the cups out if you would like. I always leave that stuff in for me. And then there is just a band across the bottom. So there's no wiring, but there is a band across the bottom. So that should help with kind of keeping them together and tight and sturdy in the actual bathing suit. So I haven't tried these on yet, but like I said, I will put them here, show you guys. So I can't really tell you what I think. This is just an unboxing and a first impressions. I haven't put it on or tried it on yet, so I have no idea how they will fit. I probably should have tried them on first, but I wanted to do this on here with you guys. So there's the first one. It's a pretty cute fit, nice and basic, not too fancy. So that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Okay, so I've decided to pause the video and insert clips and talk you guys through this. Since it's a first impressions try on haul, I wanted to talk to you guys because I have some thoughts about this first bathing suit. So I absolutely like the fit. I like the fit of it as far as like the, you know, torso and everything is concerned there. I do like that. Love the style of it. I love the colors. I think it's really cute. I'll show you the back. That is really pretty to me. I think that is really cute. I feel like this is very old school mom swimming suit. Like I feel like a mom in this swimming suit. It doesn't necessarily make me feel sexy. It just feels functional. So that's okay. Now what I don't like about this swimming suit. First of all, this is a 3X and I'm pretty sure this might be the largest size that they have. I don't know. But I'm not going up a size. That's for sure. But I think that that sizing is off because the size chart, a size 3X is like a 24 or something. And that's not my size. So I don't like the sizing. Secondly, I don't know if you guys can see or if it's picking up at all, but I don't like the way you can kind of see through the swimming suit and you can see like the little cup things. I don't like that. And then furthermore, I do not like the way it fits on my boobs. It does not offer any support whatsoever. And I feel like they're kind of just like long. I mean, you know, I feel like they're just kind of smushed in and just not cute. So again, functional because if you're doing like water sports and stuff, you're not going anywhere, but I just don't think it's very flattering. So when I turn to the side, I look like I have no boobs at all. And I don't like that. But overall, I like the look of it. I like the fit of it. I just wish that maybe they had added like an underwire in here and a little bit more of a structured cup to, you know, kind of make that look a little bit better. But, you know, it's okay. It definitely fits a little more than I thought it would, for sure. So, on to the next one. Next one. This is what the packaging looks like for this one. And this one is gray, I think, and maroon. And I think it has, yeah, okay. Okay. So here's this one. This one is giving you a little bit of sass, but still conservative in my opinion. It's got these beautiful panels of maroon and then gray down the middle. And then it's also got this plunging V mesh line here to give you a little bit of sass and sexy, but still covered up, which I think is absolutely adorable. And then the back is completely burgundy, like maroon. And then it has this really beautiful neckline in the back, which I am absolutely digging. I think that's dope. I think this one's going to be cute on. I'm really excited to try these on to see what they look like because these are going to be cute, I think, if they fit. So for me, I really like this one because it's giving you sex appeal, but it's still conservative and it is still going to cover you up. This really nice V in the back is very sexy, but it's going to cover up any problem areas that you would have in your back along the sides, like rolls and stuff, because it covers everything up and it just gives you a peekaboo of that back there. And then the same in the front. The mesh is kind of covering up your boobs, but it's giving you the illusion of that sex appeal. So I like that. And then I really love this band across the middle of the swimming suit because I feel like that's going to also give an illusion of a more cinched in waist. So this one is cute. I think this one is like my favorite thus far. I'm most excited to try this one on because I'm loving the colors. And I think that it's going to be really cute and really sexy, but in a very sophisticated way. Okay, so I actually like this one, and the fit of this one is different. This, like I said, I ordered them all in a 3X. This one is also a 3X, but this one is a little bit looser, to be honest, and it fits a little bit better. I love the style of this. I love the design of this. And with this one, the cup insert slides are big enough for you to put like your whole hand in there so you can really get in there and situate stuff like you need to. So I really like that. I really like the style of this bathing suit. I think it's really cute. I think it's really flattering. I love the back. Let you see the back. And like I was saying, this part covers up any like rolls or problem areas that you may have, but it still gives you that sex appeal of having your back out. So I do love that this part here, like the Torrid swimming suits, this part you can adjust to fit a little bit better if you need to. So you can adjust it to be a little tighter and come all the way right here if you would like. So I think that's really cool. Oh, I like this one. I don't have too much to say about this one. I like this one a lot better than the first one. Again, very flattering, very conservative. You're very covered up, but it still gives you that a bit of sexiness. So I like it. It covers everything up. Nothing is hanging out. It's a full coverage bathing suit, and that I can appreciate. So I do like this one. I do like this one. On to the next one. So here is the last piece. Those were really nice and basic. So y'all know how to get one that had a little bit of color in it. And y'all know I love navy blue. So this one has some blue in it, and it also has that maroon color in it, which I'm loving too. So yeah. This one is a little sassy as well. I forgot what this looked like. Y'all, I honestly kind of forgot the style of these. I remember the general idea of them, but I didn't really remember exactly what they looked like. That last one, if I didn't know, it does have the same soft padding. Let me see if it's removable. It's not. Yeah, it's removable too. So all of these have that removable soft padding, including this one. So here is the third and final suit. And this is what she looks like. These colors are just gorgeous, aren't they? And so down the middle here, you've got this really nice, like, cage detail down the middle of your bust, which I think is really cute. And then again, you've got this empire waistline that's going to give you the illusion of being more cinched in, which I think is going to be really, really cute. And then the back is just a really, of course it's crisscrossed, but it's a really, really low back. So this is what they look like. Really, really nice construction. They're not as is the word thick that I want to use. They're not as constricting as the Torrid ones, and it just may be because the sizing is a little bit different or they're bigger, but they just don't feel like the same thick, like, quality. Like, I don't feel like these are gonna suck me in as much as those Torrid ones did. But I think that they're all beautiful, and I'm really excited to try them on. I like the quality. They don't feel cheap by any means of the, you know, they don't feel cheap at all, but they just don't feel like the same quality as the Torrid ones. Okay, so here is the third suit. I love the pattern and print on this suit. By far, it's my favorite as far as the pattern is concerned. Well, not by far. I like this one and the last one a lot. Now, this one is by far the most sexy of the three. It does definitely show a lot more skin. You've got this area out here, which is not, that's a lot for me, I feel like. So there's that. And then the back, of course, has a lot less coverage as well. So here, if you've got problem areas as far as your back is concerned, it's going to kind of show those, because I've got some rolls on my back and you can kind of see them. So there's that. I do like this swimming suit. Let me straighten that out. Is it? There we go. I do like this one though. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. Again, I just wish there was more support, like here. But I do like it. So there's that. It's cute. So if I had to go in order of favorite to least favorite, I would go with the gray and burgundy one is absolutely my favorite. This is my second favorite, and my least favorite was the black and white one, just because of the fit and just how it smushes down my boobs. It just didn't look very flattering. This one I like. I have to say I do like it. It is a little more revealing though. So, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to come in and kind of give you guys what my opinions and what I thought about them, let you guys know. So back to your regularly scheduled program. y'all let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I will also put my favorite in the description bar after I have tried them on to see what I think about them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.